Scott Taylor, the Data Whisperer, here with George Firican from LightsOnData. We are live on the floor of Data Universe at the Data Venture booth with Deep 5 doing our swag review. You can't have an event in data unless we do a swag review. So great to see you, George.
Oh, likewise. And I got to say, I think the vendors already are expecting this. You know, they see us walking around. They're like, oh, we have some good stuff for you. We know you're going to do a swag review, so that's why we're here.
We get some good. So we're going to start right off with something we have never seen anywhere before, the DataFold coconut. This is an actual coconut. They've got cases of them.
They have a coconut guy.
They have their own coconut guy. Who doesn't bring their own coconut guy? We always got to travel with one. These are filled with fresh coconut milk.
It's really tasty.
The guy cracks it open. You get a dendrobium. For those of you who don't know which orchid this is, a dendrobium here. Lovely. And I think this is, you know, I don't want to like spoiler alert here, but this is definitely in contention for most never saw before swag.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
And it's energizing. They always have a lineup, a lot of people going there.
Yeah, I'm not putting this in my briefcase, though. So we're coming back to those. So the DataFold, what was their story? They said something like, with DataFold, it's like having your data on vacation. And when you drink coconut, or when you're on vacation, you drink coconuts. I'm just destroying their tagline. But anyway, look them up and find their positioning. But DataFold, kudos here on the coconut and the coconut guy who has a special coconut opening tool. We're doing a whole segment just on the coconut.
Yeah, I know.
So that's the coconut. What else we got here, George?
Well, let's start with the toys here.
The toys, okay.
So first one that we have here from Dedicated. Cute
has
bear.
Their own bear.
Very nice, fuzzy, squishable, huggable.
It squeaks. Did you know that? Yeah.
You know, I thought that was the bear for
I
a
know.
second.
Well, you and every 4-year-old I ever met. There we go. Dedicated bear from our wonderful Kate Strachny, one of our Data Venture leaders. What about this guy?
What'd you call this one? What was
it like a
Ocelot?
Ocelosa?
Does anybody remember?
Anybody know what this?
Axolotl. Okay, thank you, Andrew.
Axolotl from, and where are they from? From Lake FS. So an axolotl is an animal that looks really, but you have to look at it. It looks like
very cute.
A skin diving homunculus when you look at it on Wikipedia. So
and he cleans
be
lakes.
Prepared. But he cleans lakes. He cleans lakes, and they clean data lakes. And again, we think that a lot of points for brand association is what we look for here on the Data Venture Swag Review. So we're tough. I mean, we love Kate, but you know this bear's got to go up against a lot of other stuff. So we'll see how.
And we have a couple other toys here. Another bear as well from Satori.
A lovely bear from Satori.
It's cute.
And
kind of looks like Chewbacca.
Wait, and a candle from Satori.
Yes.
Got a candle from Satori.
Massager from Satori, which, by the way, Satori means sudden enlightenment.
Sudden enlightenment.
Yeah.
Oh, so we've got this eye mask.
Yeah.
That's lovely. Keep doing that. No, that's fine.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
We have this eye mask here.
Yes, we do.
And we have, so their angle is we help you sleep at night. Is that it?
Yeah, we take care of your data so you can sleep better at night.
So it's a theme you're seeing. You know, your data goes on vacation. We help you sleep at night. Let's calm it down.
Lots of positivity.
But Satori also has these shot glasses. They were pouring shot glasses of tequila yesterday. Not yet. Hopefully they're opening up right now. And their shot glass says, never lose control. So I think there's a little bit of irony there about serving you shots of tequila and saying never lose control.
But then maybe you sleep better at night.
On the back it says, why not drink and drive? Which I don't know if that's the kind of message we want. But Satori, did we get enough Satori stuff? We got 1, 2, we got a bunch of Satori
3.
stuff.
Oh, we have something else from them.
Oh, we have
a shirt as well.
A shirt.
That says, win with data, never lose control.
Never lose control. And they also gave us this lovely, a lot of people still do these.
Yeah.
The booklet.
Yeah.
With the pen.
Yeah.
You know,
I know Marianne likes it. I know Deanna likes it, right?
I know, but again, I feel brand association, why are they encouraging this analog behavior? It's just a digital
It's
show.
Maybe, when you like writing down your negatives to kind of
I know what
put
it's
them up
for.
in the
I
air.
know what you use the book for. I'm just wondering. Yeah. So, all right. Speaking of, I can't believe they're still doing this. Socks. We don't even have all the socks. 2 socks from, who's this from? FME, the software sock.
You know what I heard?
We got these data point
Apparently,
socks.
like the new generation, Gen Y, Gen Z, they're very much into these type of socks. so they're a favorite to the younger community.
Really? Oh, that's it.
That's what I was
a nice
told.
way to put it.
That's what I was told.
You could say, okay, boomer, you don't get the socks. But still, lots of socks. I guess it's a thing. I guess, what else we got? Keep going here.
Yeah.
Hats we like. Explain this
Says
to me, because
hats.
I don't write code, but
Says
apparently this is a joke.
And there was another
with
one
the
that
bracket.
had Data Diva.
Data Diva
from
hat,
company.
Data Daddy hat.
Oh, okay.
No, that's from Thought Spot,
Oh, right.
who is not.
Oh,
Cindy
yeah,
House
you're
is
right,
here,
you're
but
right.
she does not have
Okay,
a
well, it
booth,
looks
so we
similar.
can't talk about her.
This one is
spec.
from Hex.
Hex. Yes, Hex has the pivot table hat and the hat. Isn't this like a joke? I don't,
Yeah.
because I'm not a coder.
Andrew.
What does that mean? The double brackets. You don't get the joke.
Yeah.
Okay, so
it goes over our head.
yeah, if data science infinity is over our head, actually that's how you use it. It
Right.
goes up right over your head. Very nice.
And Data Cube here.
Data cube with the beanie. And I think they have a cube. Doesn't Data Cube have a cube? Is this them?
No. Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah,
It is.
Data Cube with the Rubik's Cube. You can see right on here, made in the EU. So this Rubik's Cube is GDPR compliant, which is nice. No PII in there. We got this other Gilligan's kind of.
Right. Vacation mode again,
Hey,
right?
little buddy. How you doing with the hat? Goes right over my head. Nexla. What's next? Nexla.
Nexla.
You want to open that for me?
Yeah. Let's give this a try. I think
We
got
do
to
that.
work
I know we
together
got to
on
work together on this.
There you
Data
go.
Avengers work together.
I like this little package, actually. It's nice.
It is lovely. It's so this is European. No matter where you go, you can plug it in. They talk to us about integration, so that's a good story.
Mm-hmm.
I think he may have made it up on the spot, but we appreciate the spontaneity.
It's like
And,
wherever you go, we can integrate your data wherever you are.
What he told me, and again, we give points for stories. He said someone else came up here and said, "Oh wow, I need this. It's going to save my life." And then he said to me, I said, "What do you do with this?" And he said, "It saves your life."
Mm-hmm.
So I think the context is important, but I appreciate the effort.
Yeah, and it's on brand.
It is. What I don't get is the belt loop thing. So you could wear this. Is that something that you would do? Just let me whip out my adapter. I've got to plug in a 3-prong, and I don't know. Maybe not. They also have the Rubik's Cube, which is nice. Rubik's Cube there.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to try and fix this.
You're good at solving these things, I know.
And
There you go.
There you go. Right there. No problem. Thank you, everybody.
That was quick.
Oh, wait. I have another one. I got
Oh.
2 Rubik's. There's one more. One more.
All right, what else do we
What
have?
else? We're getting down to it. What about the narwhal kids?
Oh, I mean, these are always cute.
They're
I
always
don't know what
cute.
you do with them, but
There's 2 of
yeah.
them.
Yeah. My niece will like them.
Dreamio, right?
Yes.
The narwhal is their mascot.
Yeah, and they actually have a live mascot.
They have a
walking around
live
here.
walking around plushy mascot. The Data Whisperer is here. I have to say hi. We have a live mascot that walks around and takes pictures. They should send him down to Times
I
Square
know.
with the Elmo and
I
the
know.
Minnie
Yeah.
and the unlicensed
Yeah.
Minnie and Mickey and get some shots. I'm sure he won't charge what those other folks charge. Who gave us this? Query Surge gave us this lovely plug this USB Mania, USB-C, USB-D.
Works with anything.
USB.
Any ETL, ELT type of
ELT, yeah. No,
data transfer.
No, if you switch it around, then you get reverse ETL. So
Right.
that's nice. It's a nice feature. Buttons, what else we got?
This was pretty interesting,
It was very interesting.
right? So this is from Tabular. And you were telling me that you put water in it.
Yes.
On top, you put it in the freezer, and you get an iceberg.
It's an iceberg. You make your own iceberg.
Mm-hmm.
You pull this out. Again, we gotta work together here.
Yeah.
Silicone and marketing funnel. Comes with a little marketing funnel.
Nice.
Bring people right through. Pour the water in there, and then apparently you get an iceberg, and you just put a little Titanic olive in your drink and have a wonderful time.
Beautiful.
And it comes with a sound effects kit as well, because
Let's
you can
hear
do
it.
fire.
Right.
Does that work?
I thought you were going to do the squeaky noise
The
again.
speaking noise? I don't know. Doot-doo-doo. Does that work? That's what my father would call this. He said, this is a toot-to-doot. Toot. That's what he does. That's my dad. Here's
Okay,
my dad.
what else do we have
What
here?
else do we have? We have our own swag. So the Data Avengers are going to have some swag today. Today is, in case you didn't notice, it's Star Day for our sponsor, Starburst. And so we have, if you're coming to our booth at 3 o'clock, you'll get one of these. If your first 1,000 people,
Sure.
maybe 100, however many we bought, these glasses and this star, we're subtle.
Yeah.
Not go for the imprint.
Yeah.
We got a ball from Matillion.
Yeah.
There you
Always
go.
handy.
The nice ball. Oh, Deep Vibe, who's been like blocking me in the shot the whole time. The Deep Vibe Yeti mug. If you want to go deep, go Deep Vibe. That's what I like to say. They're here. They're wonderful. They're making us look great.
They're right here.
This was fascinating. So this, I know it looks like one of those big Stanley cups.
Yeah.
But actually what this is Cup GPT.
All right.
They did a demo for me.
Yeah.
They said this keeps hot liquids hot and cold liquids cold. How does it know? AI. AI. It works right there. And it's fabulous. They're using these LLMs, these large liquid models, and they're driving all kinds of value. And you should see it with the vodka prompt, really. If you want to start hallucinating, Cup GPT, you got to get one of those. Thank you, Tamer.
Yeah, that's pretty
Sell
fun.
that on eBay. You can get like $50 for these.
Bottles, water bottles,
Water
or
bottles.
just bottles.
Data Universe water bottle.
Yeah, with Dreamio. This is pretty cool.
Purple.
Yeah.
Purple water.
Purple water.
We love that. We're getting close to the end here. This was 5 so there's a battle of the chargers going on. We got the classic charger from C-Data. That's nice. You want to put that in your briefcase. And then you've got the 5-tran charger where you can place your phone on it.
Wirelessly.
But you need to plug this in. And so here's what I came up with. You can actually plug in that charger into this charger and build your own modern data charging stack. It's wonderful how this is all wired. You need an engineer to do it, but these two things work together and try and get all that.
By the way, don't do it.
Don't do it. What's left? Buttons.
Food items.
This is the data waffle.
Okay.
You heard of the data mesh? You've heard of the data fabric? This is the latest here, the data waffle. It's big in Belgium.
Par was up
Try
there
that.
today.
These are from our friends at Soda, who did not give us soda. They put stickers on the waffle, so I don't know how edible it is, but shout out to Tash from Soda.
And Soda also has some fun, happy T-shirts. There's one with a happy day.
This is Unhappy Day.
Oh, unhappy day.
Unhappy Day.
Oh, all right.
You can get that. So I picked the Unhappy Day T-shirt for obvious reasons.
And I told you, Deanna actually has one, but it's embroidered with her initials.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So that's extra points there.
Yeah.
Do they have an embroidery guy like the coconut guy?
Yeah, I think they do. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, they
bought their own
personalize it.
machine? Nice. People go all out.
Yeah.
I didn't get one of those.
Next time.
What else do we have? This I liked. This is cool. So it's a little fan, goes right on your phone.
Nice.
But check this out, really.
Let's see.
Does it feel that?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You can make it oscillate. It works great. I don't know how they do it. I love this.
Did
What's
it drain
left?
your battery? No, huh?
Be all right.
All right.
What's left?
Buttons, yeah, right? A lot of buttons.
A lot of buttons. This is a great collection of buttons. These are all different. This is in the Query Surge bottle, but the folks from Safe Software have a whole series of buttons. You got to check them out. I'm relational data. I am structured data. I am quantitative data. They said their biggest seller was I am dirty data. That's the one everybody likes, but who knows why. We'll get a case of those for Susan Walsh in case she's watching. I am dirty data. Put that in the Cup GPT.
Okay, let's pick some winners.
I think we got to pick some winners. I think, as usual, we're out of time. So what do we got? What do you think?
Let's.
This guy too.
Oh yeah.
One more. Matillion's fidget spinner. Combo fidget spinner and bottle opener.
So if you're fidgeting and you want to have a beer,
I guess they told me this works for soda, and that works for beer. So I didn't see the difference, but they're the experts.
Right. Okay.
You got to believe them. All right, we're ready. We're ready to make some decisions here.
So would you say it's most on brand?
Most on brand. I got to give some points to the guys at Tabular.
Yeah.
Just the Iceberg thing.
And the puppet is pretty cool
guy,
too, right?
I elevate that to bigger than on brand. I give that best story. best, like really deep branded story. These guys at Oscillate. No, they're at, let me get the brand right.
But we got to look at Andrew.
Lake FS. Thank you. We give them best story, most on brand, most stuff is the Satori. I need to.
It's so diverse, right?
I know. I got to check extra baggage. I got to buy another bag on the
This is the
airplane.
candle as well, and
Candle
apparently you
comes
can
in
bring
a
it on the
handy
plane.
Case. Most Satori for that.
Yeah, they have a lot of stuff. They have the most stuff.
They have the most stuff, so they win for most stuff. Best of show?
I also want to pick the best tumbler mug because I'm a fan of mugs, and I gotta say, Deep Vibe is definitely wins the show.
End. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Thank you.
Remember that. Deep
Really
Vibe.
cool.
That's
Look
it.
at this.
We might be
Great
asking
quality
you for something extra.
Great quality, same as their services, right?
Same as their services. Wonderful. I have a best of show.
Yeah.
Do you want to both try and do it at the same time?
Sure, let's do it.
I think it's got to be. Cheers.
Cheers.
Really, Data Fold for imagination, for creativity, for bringing in specialists. Y'all need specialists, and just the craziness of this. I've never
memorable.
seen- and in case you're looking for the true definition of a brand, here it is. They branded these coconuts. That is where it comes from.
Cheers.
Brand. So cheers.
Cheers.
George, always great to see you.
Likewise.
Scott Taylor, George Firican reporting live with our swag review at Data Universe with the folks at Deep Vibe and the rest of us Data Avengers. Thanks for watching.
See you at the next one.